Food adulteration means adding or mixing another substance to a food item in order to make more profit, preserve it for a long time, or make it appealing. It reduces the actual quality of food item and causes health hazards. It is considered to be one of the major problems in our country. There is hardly any food that is not adulterated in one way or another. There are many bad impacts of adulterated food. They are generally harmful to health and cause serious health problems like digest problem, diarrhea, dysentery, cancer, kidney failure, heart problem, etc. The adulterated foods are nothing but slow poison that kills people slowly. Nowadays, adulteration of food in our country is so widespread that it is difficult to find a food item which is safe to eat. Milk and milk products are poorly processed. Vegetables have pesticides with item. Fishes are preserved with formalin and fruits are preserved with poisonous chemicals. A recent survey conducted in some areas of Dhaka city reports that 40% of 82% samples of milk products, fish, fruits and vegetables contained DDT, aldrin and other poisonous chemicals. It is not unknown that strict monitoring and supervision in the production process can control food adulteration to a great extent. It is not possible for govt alone to control the widespread adulteration of foods. General public should be aware and should boycott the product that is detected to be adulterated. Also, govt must enact strict laws against adulteration. Capital punishment should be ensured to the dishonest traders who are involved in food adulteration.